Hope you know that. So maniza mu video yaffe ya leero, those who are online, today here we are going to learn about will. That word will. So every Sunday we always stream live. So tell a friend to tell a friend that every Sunday at beny 217 we are always interacting with you like last time we did. So every Sunday tugenda kuba to streaming live. So but before we start, may I know where you are watching from, please? I want to know where you are watching from. Nyagala kumanya olabira wa. Leo remember tugenda kulaba akagambo ka will. Will kitegeeza W-I-L-L. Okay? Will. Tukozesa tutya akagambo kanaka will. Are we together? So but before I want to know who are watching, you can text me and I know who is watching and I know who is interacting with me. Don't forget you always stream at beny2178 to learn English and Luganda with ease. So please, you can send in your text and I know where you are watching from. Where are you watching from? Olabira wa video yaffe ya leero. Yes, you can send in your text such that I interact with you. You are going to ask me, ogenda kumbuuza nkuddemu. So answers zo ogenda zitextinga. Since we are interacting online, I want you to text your answers. Texting answers zo tutandike. Yes, text your answers and we do start. I'm waiting for you guys. Texting yo, where are you watching from? If someone asks you, where are you watching from? Aba tegeeza oli mu kulabira wa. So where are you watching from? So when you're answering, you say, I am watching from Kenya. I am watching from Tanzania. I am watching from Saudi Arabia. Are we together? So who are you? I want to know you. You can at least introduce yourself because we looked at that. Twasomaku engeri y'okweyanjulamu. How to introduce yourself in English and Luganda. So please, you can introduce yourself and I know who is watching online. Are we together? Yes. Please introduce yourself because I want to know who is watching online. Thank you very much. Can you? Can I know who is watching? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from, please? Those watching, where are you watching from? I want to interact with you. Right now, for me, I am in Uganda. Yes, I am in Uganda. So where are you watching from? The person who is watching. Where are you watching this video from? Olabirawa video yaffe ya leero. Okay? Where are you watching from? Don't forget here, once again, wano tuyiga olulimi oluzungu n'oluganda bwangu. So tugenda kuyiga akagambo aka will. Will tukiwandiika tutya? Will tukiwandiika W-I-L-L. Will. Where do we use this word will? Akagambo kana aka will tukakozesa wa? Of course in English and Luganda because I always interact with you and I make life simpler for you. If you like the video, you can submit in that thumbs up icon. Are we together? Okay, where are you watching from? Ali mukundaba olabira wa video yaffe ya leero nga tunatandika because we are waiting for other guys to join. Someone can ask you, can you please introduce yourself? If someone asks you, can you please introduce yourself to us? Abategeeza bambi osobola okutweyanjulira. Bambi osobola okutweyanjulira. So please, can you introduce yourself? And I know who are you? Where are you watching from? Olabirawa video yaffe ya leero. Because tugenda kulaba akagambo ako aka will. Will kitegeeza ki? What does the word will mean if I ask you? Will kitegeeza ki? Will kitegeeza ki? If I ask you, what do you understand with the word will? What can you answer? Oli wakubuuza nti ekigambo will okitegeeramu ki? And where can you use it? Ekigambo will okitegeeramu ki era oyinza kikozeseza wa? Are we together? So if someone asks you, where can you use the word will? Okay? Ekigambo will nkugambye bakiwandiika W-I-L-L. Will kyekitegeeza. Kagambo will mbadde nkyabagamba